So, you want to do real estate photography? Well, you came to the right place. Blanche from the Bay. Right now I'm currently inside a client's home I just shot. I'll post the pictures right here. You can see nice, bright, beautifully staged. I mean, it's a piece of cake, and all you need to know are these settings right here. Okay, right here I have my Sony a7R III. Gonna switch it to A on top on the dial right there. That's aperture priority. Okay, we're gonna look down here. Right there, ISO, we want it between 100 and 400. Don't wanna go higher than 400. And it, honestly, you could even put the ISO at auto if you want. That works too. So for right now, we're just gonna keep it at 100. Aperture, we want that to be up at like 8 or 9. Okay, we want everything in focus. For bracketing, see this? You click this to the left, and right here, it's in this drive mode settings. Down here, bracketing, right here, continuous bracketing. And if you go left and right, you can change it. You see how it's changing the values? So we want 3.0 EV, 5 image. So it's gonna take 5 pictures. The coolest part about the Sony, if you go in here, you go to bracketing settings, menu 1, page 3 of 14, bracketing settings, click that. Self timer during bracketing, I have it set to 2 seconds. So I click the button, it's gonna wait 2 seconds. Here, I'll show you just to show you, watch. Gives you 2 seconds because you're gonna be on a tripod, and then it's gonna take 5 pictures, 5 different exposures. So anyways, now that you got your settings all dialed in on your camera, let's go back to me in the kitchen. So first things first, when you come over to the client's house, you want to take a walkthrough, make sure all the lights are on in every room, all the little subtle lights like under the cabinets and stuff, and just anything that's going to enhance the photo. The more lighting, the better for what we're doing. And make sure everything's set up right, chairs are angled right, things aren't on the counters like keys or wallets or whatever the case may be. You want to make sure it looks perfect, ready to have that photo taken. So take that first walkthrough, turn the lights on, make sure everything looks right, toilet seats are down, toilet paper isn't all crazy looking, you know, little things like that. And as you progress with this, you'll start to see and take notice to little things like that. Yeah, take your walkthrough, make sure the lights are on, go grab your camera, start in the front yard, and just start walking through the house. So for sake of time, just because I got places to go, people to see, let's say you just came in, you turned all the lights on, right? Boom, boom, you come in, turn the lights on, you're taking a lay at the land, everything looks right. So first thing I would do, I like to get that entrance shot. Get in the corner, wherever the front door is, kind of get that angle at a 45 across the room, capture that, maybe square up, get this shot. So boom, you get the 45-degree angle, boom, okay. Get this little straight shot, boom, right? Come over here to this corner. Look back at the door, right? Get the stairs in there a little bit. Let's see, something like that, right? Turn around, gonna knock this out. Now the whole key to this is you wanna stay about waist height with your camera. Make sure everything's level. You want all your vertical lines hitting perfect, and that's how you get the bangers. Go. So when you're done, make sure you leave it just the way it was when you showed up. Lock the door and put the key back in the key lockbox. Keep in touch with your realtor. Let them know that you just got finished. I'm heading home right now. What email would you like me to send the pictures to? Get those to you tonight. Boom, just like that. You just made whatever the price you set, just like that, in your pocket. And that's it. So as long as you got the settings right, you'll get bangers every time. So what we're doing here is called bracketing. It's taking 5 pictures, and each one is a different exposure level. It layers them, merges them together, and let's head home and I'll show you how to edit that. All right, we're back in my house and I'm gonna show you how to merge these images we just took. Hit screen record, and open up Lightroom. So right here we got Lightroom opened up. I like to sort my thumbnails. First I come down here and I like to shrink it so it shows 5 per row. That way you can see, you know, every 5 is a different picture, right? Now, click the first one, scroll all the way down. There's 55, shift, click, and now you got them all highlighted, right? Now you got them all highlighted, you're gonna right click, you're gonna go to stacking, you're gonna go to auto stack by capture time. So this little window is gonna open. So I have 55 pictures, 5 per stack, so I should have 11 stacks, right? Simple little math. How long did you take in between each photo you took? That's kind of what it's breaking it down to. So, all right, so we click that, boom. Now we have 11 stacks, right? Each one containing 5 pictures. So you can do photo merging in Lightroom, but it's not the best quality. So I suggest if you have, you know, a little money in your pocket, you can go over here. This website right here called Photographer's Toolbox. So LR Infuse is what I use. And all of these examples here show you kind of what they do. And it just comes out looking a lot cleaner. The lighting looks a lot more natural. And I just think it's a great product. So it's a donation basis. I threw them $3 and you get an awesome program to use. So, or plugin really. You install that, it's super easy. Now you come back into Lightroom, right? You select all your images, you go File, Plugin Extras, Blend Exposures. Sorry, this mellow. Come on, I'm filming a video. All right, so File, you're gonna go down to Plugin Extras, Blend Exposures using LR Infuse. You're gonna click that, and it's basically the standard settings. I didn't change anything except right here. It might be on Use. You're gonna bring it over here to Append. You're gonna type in HDR, just like I have it right here. And that's just gonna put the word HDR at the end of the title of each photo, you know? So like, basically you're gonna have a 6th photo in each stack, and that's gonna be your HDR merged image. Just click Infuse Images. Now we're just gonna let that do its thing up in the corner here. Okay, and just like that, photos are ready. So we're gonna go up here, click text, type in here HDR, and boom, there we go. These are all the HDRs. Now you can start editing them. Lucky for me, I've done this before, so I go here to my saved presets, real estate. This one I called it beach, just because I felt like it was kind of like a beach theme inside there. A lot of blues, a lot of whites, a lot of cream colors. And look, it just zips through, boom, boom, boom. We like them bright, like them real clean looking, all the lighting's looking nice. So then you just kind of go one by one, develop, and you just kind of look around. You're looking for things, you know, that you want to clean up, whatever the case may be. And yeah, you're just brightening them up, doing whatever you want to do to make them all look cohesive. This is actually the day before the real shoot, so the house wasn't all finished perfectly, but these are just for an example for you guys to understand how to merge the images. And yeah, there you have it. Bunch of clean, nice real estate photography. So it's been your boy Blanche from the Bay. I hope this information helps you. on your journey into photography and making money with your camera. Real estate photography is slept on, and it's a good way to make money. All right, that's all you need to know. I showed you how to walk through a house, how to take the photos, the settings for the camera, how to merge the images. Please take this information and use it to your advantage. Make the most out of owning a camera, and yeah, keep doing what you love. Peace. And action. Okay, we're back at my house. I just bumped into the fucking table.
Mellow, still playing over here, Trying to film a video, being very loud.